pressure switch that did not open like it's supposed to. If I remember correctly, without looking in the book, which obviously kind of confirms with what I did here, that it starts out grounded when it's not running, and then once it builds pressure, it opens a switch, removing it away from ground, then allows it to run. So I'm going to go ahead and check the pressure, because I have a feeling that maybe we had a faulty switch. It's working now, but customers don't like you to come back later. So if it's just a simple switch that we need to replace, then a lot of times they're going to want that done. And if not, we're going to give them that option. And then if that fixes, if they don't choose to do it, then you've at least offered the option. They chose not to do it, and then, you know, you're not the bad guy for not fixing their problem. Most of that oil is going to be drained down the bottom. We'll probably get a little bit here, which, as you can tell, he's had some minor leaks so far. So I made this thing nice and short, so we're just going to go ahead and undo this. They've got their dielectric grease all over the place. Let's see if we get a bunch of leakage or not. Yeah, we do a little bit, don't we? Yeah, we'll just wipe that up. Not a humongous deal. It's not very often that you get these oil failures. I think I've only had to use this thing like once or twice in the last, I don't know, 6 years, 7 years, which I'm not doing. Actually, it's been longer than that. Holy crap. I started doing these in 06, I think. So, yeah, I don't do a lot of them anymore, so I'm not running into the issues as often as what I used to. Everything's fairly tightened. Let's go ahead and start it here. Let's put our headphones back on, our ear protection. It doesn't seem loud at first, but it adds up. We had about 57 psi each time, so I'm not going to assume we have any issues with the oil. I mean, there's always something that could be there. I'm going to look through the book to make sure there ain't something else they'd want us to check in addition to. But as of right now, it appears to me we had a defective oil switch. See if we can drain this back into the engine. So make sure it doesn't go down in the engine, so we're going to roll it back a little bit so it's out of the threads. There we go. So we should be free and clear there on the end. Just have to be quick about it, like we were last time. And as you noticed too, it didn't leak even with nothing on it as far as thread sealant. We're going to go ahead and hook this back up again. You know, it might have been a fluke thing, but that's why I'm going to tell the customer, hey, here's what I found. What would you like to do?